Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest keyboard assembly on a Dell Inspiron 7572. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove bottom base. Then unscrew and remove battery. Now unscrew and disconnect antenna cables. Then separate clips and remove memory. Now unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Next, loosen captive screws and remove heatsink. Now unscrew and remove SSD. Next, unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Then unscrew and disconnect daughter board. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Then unscrew and disconnect touchpad. Then unscrew and disconnect LED circuit board. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Next, unscrew and remove motherboard. Then unscrew and remove DC jack. The remaining piece is the Palmrest keyboard assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.